Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make rice paper dumplings. First, gather your fresh ingredients, including your chosen vegetables, protein, and the essential rice paper wrappers. Next, prepare your delicious filling by finely chopping and seasoning all components to your taste. Finally, set up a clean workspace with a shallow dish of warm water, ready for dipping the wrappers. This organized approach makes the dumpling making process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's master the wrapping technique. Dip one rice paper wrapper into warm water for about 15 seconds, just until it becomes pliable. Place a small amount of your prepared filling near the bottom edge of the softened wrapper. Carefully fold the bottom edge over the filling, then fold in the sides tightly to prevent any leaks. Finally, roll the dumpling upwards to create a neat, secure package. Practice makes perfect for beautiful dumplings. Once wrapped, it's time to cook and enjoy your delicious creations. You can cook your rice paper dumplings by pan-frying, steaming, or even air-frying them. For a crispy texture, pan-fry them for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are golden brown. Serve your dumplings immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, such as a classic soy ginger. They are best enjoyed fresh and warm, offering a delightful culinary experience. Here are some pro tips to elevate your dumpling game. First, avoid overfilling your wrappers. Use about 1 tablespoon of filling per dumpling for best results. Second, feel free to experiment with different fillings, like succulent shrimp, savory tofu, or a variety of fresh vegetables. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Finally, store any uncooked dumplings on parchment paper to prevent them from sticking together before cooking. Enjoy your culinary adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.